To set corner action for top right, to do the swipe left function in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top right. Scroll down the screen to the bottom. And then tap the gray on off switch next to swipe left to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, you can connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done connecting, now go to the screen where you can do a swipe left function. As the example, we will use it to swipe left the app screen. To do so, go to the app screen. Next, hover and stop your mouse pointer on the top right corner of the screen, and then bring the pointer to an empty area on the right side of the screen to swipe left the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.